Hello guys, my name is Cedric. I'm a structural engineer, and today I am starting a new series of tutorial videos about SCIA Engineer, that is a software used in professional industry for design, analysis, and calculation of structures. In SCIA Engineer, we can do analysis of concrete structure, we can do the analysis of steel structures, we can do also the analysis of wood structures and aluminum structure or the composite structures. SCIA Engineer is developed by Nemetschek, one of the German company and Belgium company together. So in this version, I'm using 25 version, that's the latest version, and student version that I get access to. I get license for this version. You can also apply and download this version to the website. In today's video, I'm gonna introduce the interface of SCIA Engineer. SCIA Engineer, when you open it, version 25, different version will have different interface. But the one I'm introducing today is version 25. This is how the interface looks when you don't have any project open. And when you open this, you have to click on this icon on the menu bar. This menu bar here, we have the file, we have the edit, we have the view, we have the help menu. First of all, we're going to click on the file menu and we create a new project in order for us to access other options. Or you can directly use the command Ctrl+N to create this new project. When you create a new project, this is the window that will pop up, asking you to put the data and the information of the project. The name, the part, the description, the author, the date, the structure, it is the frame in X, Y, Z, and then you can select all of them. You can select also the materials. Is it a structure or complex structure, steel, masonry, aluminum, timber, or other structures? You can also select the national code that you want to use for this design. Is it IBC, or you can click on this three dot here to access other codes. You can add other codes. We have Brazilian code, we have Euro code, and we have Syrian code. For this purpose, I'm not going in details. I just want to explain first the interface. I'm going to select first steel structures so that it will give me access to the other functionality. Basic data, when we define the basic data. Functionality, where we define also different parameters that we want to incorporate in our structure analysis. Loads, where we define different loads, acceleration, wind loads, no load in combination. Unit set, where we define the unit that we are going to use or we're going to go with in our design. It can be metric format, it can be also imperial format. And the protection, where we set the protection for our documents, we can put a password and so on. So every time we send a file, it will be protected, and in order for the other person to access our file, it will request a password that we need maybe to share also with the file. I'm clicking OK, and directly I will have access on another interface. I have the input panel, I have the project data, but that I can move every time I want. When I long press it, I can move this, I can move it anywhere I want, but I can put it down here. You see, this is how we can move panels from one side to another side depending on your preferences. And we have this menu here, that is the toolbar or process toolbar. We have also, this one also is one of the view bar. We have the input panels here. This is the view cube. The view cube menu, when we can select, we are in calculate mode, steel, concrete, report, structure, construction stage, load, and result. So the result you see is still, we cannot have access to the result because we do not have any structure yet defined in our project. And we have also this menu here that's called SCIA Spotlight, where we can input some command to research. You see, when I type two notes or two letters, it gives me different options that I can access directly. After that, we have this main menu. When we have the new project, the file to create new project, to save the project, and all other informations. edit, where we can edit projects, and every time you have an error here, that means you can access extra menu. We have the tools when we have also different options or different commands. We have the result when we can access the nodal displacement, deformation, support member, and so on. We have also the designing when we can design the steel members, external tools, check manager, after the check, and so on. We have the view bar when we can change the visibility, we can zoom in and zoom out. The view, we can change the view of our structure. And we have the library when we can change the layer, we can define the layer, we can change the material, we can define the cross section, we can check the picture that we've been taken of the result. And here we have the help menu where we can access to the tutorials, online tutorials, video tutorials. We can search and we can know about what the news and about the software. So that was actually the introduction about this video. Here we can change the unit. We see this is the activated building code that we're using, and we will see here the online. You see here it's connected. Yeah, here this is where we have online, and then we can this one we have the online information. When we get the access, we can connect, and then we will have access to this version. Without the license, it's gonna be hard for you to access this software. So thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next one.